Hello everyone, very common yung gagawin natin. Ito yung tinatawag nilang Graham cake. Yung iba, pinopronounce nila yan na Graham. Yung iba naman ay Graham. So, yung iba, Graham. Gawin nating simple lang pero masarap. Ang mga kailangan natin ay yung all-purpose cream at saka yung evaporated milk and condensed milk. So, itong mga liquid ingredients pag halu-haluin natin. So, haluin ng dahan-dahan para hindi siya mag-bubbles. And then, pagkatapos iset aside natin at i-prepare na natin yung cracker. At ito, dadagdagan namin siya ng loaf bread. Kaya hindi lang siya Graham cake, Graham and loaf bread cake. Mas maganda kapag may loaf bread kasi matatanggal yung pait ng Graham cracker. So, ayan. Pakibasa lang yung important suggestion or reminder. Ito kasi pang family consumption. Naghuhugas po kami ng kamay. So, yan yung, yung liquid ang mauuna sa container. Pagkatapos, ito na yung first layer, yung cracker. Then, lagyan ulit natin ng toppings, yung cracker crust or crust cracker. Pagkatapos nito, ilagay natin yung liquid ingredients. Yan. Be sure na lahat malalagyan and ma-absorb ng cracker at ng loaf bread. Kung gusto nyo ng masyadong matamis or creamy na Graham cake, ay di damihan nyo yung liquid ingredients niya. Yan kasi ang nagpapasarap. Damihan nyo yung evaporated milk at saka yung all-purpose cream. So, ilagay na natin yung second layer, yung loaf bread. Yung pipiliin nyo na loaf bread yung soft lang para maging cake talaga ang kanyang pagka-soft. So, ilagay ulit natin. Pagkatapos natin nilagyan ng liquid ingredients, ilagay natin. Ito na yung third layer niya, yung cracker ulit. And ilagay na naman natin yung toppings. Alternate lang yan. So, kapag napuno na yung container, then, next container ulit. O kaya tama na. So, yan. Lagyan lahat ng side para hindi sayang yung space ng container. Anyway, it's for consumption naman. So, pagkatapos yan, takpan na natin at saka i-refrigerate ng at least 6 hours or mas magandang overnight. Mas masarap kapag overnight siya. So, ayan. And then, after overnight, yan nilagay na namin sa ref. Pwede naman kayong gumawa ng personalized birthday Graham cake. So, tignan natin. Tapos na yung overnight, buksan na natin at saka titikman natin yung first na container. Ayan Binabati ko nga pala lahat ng mga birthday celebrants ngayon.
Happy birthday, my darling.
Happy birthday sa inyo.
And many, many more.
For watching.
Another year has passed. I love you even more. Your eyes I love to see. Your hand I love to touch. Your lips I love to kiss. I love you oh so very much. Tomorrow starts a new year, and memories could have waited. I want to say I love you, darling.